Video today for you, and in this one we're going to be using Portrait Pro Studio Edition. This one is the one that is a little bit more expensive than the standard one, but it does give you the option to use it as a plugin in Photoshop. Okay, and it also edits RAW files, which is a bonus for some people. Right, so we've got a picture here that we shot the other day, and it's just a standard behind the scenes shot, to be honest. It was shot on an A7R with a Sigma 135mm art lens at f2.8, I think it was, just using LED lighting. Now the picture itself, it was more of a test shot. The model hasn't got any makeup on, etc. And we're just going to show you what we can do with this software, as in the Portrait Pro software, with a standard image like this. Now, obviously, 99% of models or people coming into a studio environment for a photo shoot do have makeup on, and they do want that makeup look. So using this software to utilize its features to add makeup is a bonus for anybody. And I am no expert at doing makeup on Photoshop, so this is just a godsend for me. Anyway, all that aside, we will crack on with editing this picture. So we're just going to give it a quick crop. First of all, just straighten those eyes up so I am happy. We will bring the eyes just into this line here. And we don't need content aware crop on this occasion. Okay, like I said, this is just a standard image. We're just going to work on it nice and quick. Now, something I can do in Photoshop, and it is nice and easy, is just get rid of the large marks on her face, as in the little spots, etc. So we will just do that nice and quick, just to clean the picture up, as anybody would. This won't take me long. Now, don't forget, folks, at the moment we have got the discount code running on any of the Anthropic software. Head over to their website, use my discount code, which is in the link below, and you will get 15% off any purchase, which will save you a nice chunk of money. Everybody likes saving money, especially in COVID times. Okay. So for now, like I said, we're just getting rid of those larger spots and little blemishes on a face, and then we will leave it there, and we will just go head on and do a quick edit in Portrait Pro Studio Edition. Right, okay, so we're going to go into Filter. Anthropics is in there as well, and we've already got the Portrait Pro body as a plugin, and we're going to use the Portrait Pro. Now, I do apologise if it slows down. I've said this before. I do record these videos in 4K screen capture. It slows the computer down just a tad, so bear with me. Right, okay, so we'll check that the AI has done a good match on lining up the face features, and we will have a look there. Now, we did have a comment in the comment section of another video I did where somebody said, oh, I haven't got the eyebrow, blah de blah. Well, I don't think it was much of a big deal in the end result personally, so okay, I do apologise, I didn't get the eyebrow. It's no big drama, but you always get the keyboard warriors wherever you go who just like to put their little awe in. Anyway, that aside, we'll crack on. So don't forget, folks, like I said, we have, it's just it's missed a little bit of the chin there, so we'll bring that down just a little bit. And like I was saying before, don't forget, we've got 15% off this software. It is a lifesaver, so check it out. And you can also check out, they've got the demo version, have a play with it. It does leave a demo, I think it says demo across the final image, so you can have a play, see what you can do with the software yourself before you go and purchase it. But yeah, you won't be disappointed, in my opinion. Right, okay, so we're just going to go to the view of the after photo only, and because I am doing a quick edit and we want some makeup features added, I'm just going to go through these without turning anything down, and we'll just see what we can do, and the final result will be in the end of the video. Okay, so we're going to add some volume. She's got amazing hair, so we're going to add some more volume to that hair. I'm just going to plump the lips up just a tad more. Let's have a look. Now, we were going to leave the mouth shape alone, so I will turn that one off. Eyes widening. Now, on this occasion, one feature that they could add into... Oh, no, I won't talk about that other software. Anyway, so we will add these. Just bring that one up just a tad as well, so they're a little bit more symmetrical. I'm happy there. Okay, we'll close that one down. Now, again, my favourite editing on these sort of pictures is using the mascara, which adds those amazing lashes to the eyes. We're going to add... So I do like using the mascara application. We will add a thicker one and then bring them down just a tad to get them eyes popping. Lipstick. I'm going to leave the lipstick one alone. Let me just see. We just add a very light amount of colour to those lips, and then we'll go into the makeup again and use the eyeliner just to get them eyes popping. A little eyeliner to the top and then to the lower eye as well. Bring that up to around just below 50%. And then we're going to add a little bit of blusher to that one as well. Bring the saturation of those lips down. We don't want to darken those lips anymore. Leave the lip contrast. We'll add a little bit of moisture to those lips with this one. Again, just under 20%. Nose contrast, we're going to leave that one alone. And all the rest of them. Now, someone also said that I'm not saying what the sliders do, but if you're looking at the panels as I'm doing these videos, everything is self-explanatory. Now, I'm just showing you what I do with this software. It's up to you to go and download it yourself, have a play with a trial, and then get used to it. Okay? Right, okay, so we're going to change the eyes in this picture. So we will go to contact lenses and let's have a look at that one. We'll use the brown and then we'll bring the brown tones opacity down. We want those pupils just a little bit smaller. Just lighten up them pupils just a little bit. She was wearing contacts on the day, and I do tell her not to wear the contacts. Her eyes being brown are a lot better as natural. So I think we'll use the hazel ones on this occasion. Okay, brighten the iris just a tad. Now if we take them off, you'll see, well, they're not original eyes, they're her contacts, but we want a little bit of brown tinge, tone coming through, so we'll add some brown colour back into those eyes. Okay, so we'll close that one up. We've got clean eyes up to around the 57. This was all done with the AI, so we're going to leave them there for now. We're going to sharpen those eyebrows just a tad as well. Sharpen the eyes up to around the 60, just under 60%. Just add a little bit of eyelid. Get that up to around the 30, just over 38%. We'll be happy. I'll be happy there. Now she has got a catch light in her eyes. We can add different catch lights if we wanted to, but we're not going to do anything like that on this occasion. Get the moisten the lips up just a tad more, I think. Okay. So we'll go into the hair and we'll just see what the automatic does. Just giving her a little bit more shine and light on this side. We'll give it a little bit more vibrance to the vibrance. We're going to just put over 50% and we'll bring the blacks to just above 25%. Add a little fill to the lighting as well, and we'll just add a little bit more colour saturation. I do apologise when I'm trying to drag these sliders at, sometimes it does lag. Come on, these are like 100 meg files from the Sony a7R II, which can be a pain to work with. Okay, so we're going to leave the saturation alone, and then we're just going to go into the skin lighting and colouring. We're going to add some right and left shadow. We do like the smoky eye look. Give a little bit more pout to those lips, and we're going to sculpt the nose just a tad more, just over 60%. Now we still can see a little bit of skin blemish along here, but if we're leaving it sort of semi-natural looking. So on this occasion, again, I try and keep these videos under 10 minutes. We've got before and after. So we've just enhanced the looks of this young lady just a tad, and then we will save the image, and then we'll end up back into Photoshop to do any other adjustments we would want to do. It'll apply the effect, voila. And there we are, we're done for now. Okay, so I will fade the Portrait Pro look before and then after. Quick enhancement, happy days once again. So there we go, a quick enhancement, done nice and quick from the plugin within Photoshop. I'm quite happy. Right, okay, I'll leave it there. Don't forget, 15% off any purchase with my discount code. It's in the link below. We'll see you in the next one.